has half a new boiler on it.
How long does it take to heat this one up?
About an hour and 20 minutes. Yep, when it's cold.
Hi, best friend. What do we
Like
buy?
we had it running yesterday, so today it'll take about an hour.
Nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful piece of machinery.
Yeah, the odor's up front there.
Where's the boiler?
Cool shit.
Boiler's a boiler, huh?
What's that?
That's what you said?
What's that?
A boiler's a boiler?
No, that's what he said.
Oh.
Boilers are different, but they kind of operate on the same principle.
What are you doing here?
I'm cleaning the ashes out and the soot and stuff out of the tubes.
It's a beautiful piece of machinery you got here.
Thank you.
Like, it's fucking beautiful.
22 horsepower.
How long does it take to heat this one up?
It all depends. If you got hot water from the day before, you probably get steam up in 20 minutes or so. If you got cold water in it, that takes quite a bit longer.
Look at that piston. It's just huge.